Are AI prompts giving you boring or useless results? It's not the AI fault. It's your prompt. Today, I'm going to show you the secret formula for writing amazing prompts that deliver exactly what you want. Let's go! Whether you're using ChatGPT, MidJourney, or any AI tool, the way you ask makes all the difference. I've got a simple formula that will change the way you write prompts forever. Let's break it down. The formula is super simple. Subject plus specifics plus style plus scope. Subject means what the AI should focus on. Specifics means detail that make your request clear. Style means the vibe or tone you want, like casual, professional, funny, or cinematic. Scope means how broad or narrow you want the answer. That's not just yet. Let me explain other options you must know. Number 1. Start with action verbs. Starting your prompt with action verbs can help you to achieve what you exactly need from AI. These are some action verbs I use: generate, give, write, and summarize. But it doesn't stop there. You also need to add context and a clear tone. For example, instead of saying write me a story, say write me a short scientific story in a dramatic tone about a teenager girl who discovered time travel in the year 2099. See the difference? That's how you guide the AI. Number 3. Persona and output. You can also tell the AI who to act as: a teacher, a coder, a travel guy, Jeff Bezos, or Reza Sadiq, and tell it what format you want: bullet points, scripts, essays, or even YouTube description. You can also use this cool option: examples. Example make result much more better. As an example, you can tell your AI bot to make a story about a Persian boy who wants to be a YouTuber and after many years succeed, like MrBeast's life story. To make your prompt beast, you need to say that search on the internet about this person for giving me best result. So now AI has more details and a cool example to make the result awesome. The final thing that you can add in your prompt is format. Tell AI which format output you need: block format with H2 header, JSON format, script format, and many other things. If you want to generate cool images and videos with your prompt, at first type your prompt to AI, then receive a JSON format from it. So next time, use these tricks in your prompt and watch the magic happen. If you want this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and watch this video to become the master of using ChatGPT. See you there.